Hi, today we are going to discuss some tricks to simplify infinite surd series. As you may be aware that any root of a rational number which can't be obtained exactly is a surd. They are irrational numbers. The series based on surds appear quite frequently in competitive exams. It can be a bit tricky to solve these in limited amount of time. So let's look at some of the tricks to help you with it. Type 1 is an additive series. You can see that the question comes in the form of under root x plus under root x plus under root x, and this series goes on till infinity. So this is a conventional method to solve such kind of question. Here I have mentioned this type of question as under root 30 plus under root 30 plus under root 30, and you need to find out the sum of these series till infinite. Now if we follow the conventional way, what I am going to do, I am going to assume this series as y. So y is equal to under root 30 plus under root 30 till infinity. So next step becomes y is equal to under root 30 plus y, because the same series is being repeated. Now squaring both sides, you get y square is equal to 30 plus y. The square and the under root sign gets cancelled. By rearranging the terms, you get a quadratic equation, and by middle term split, we finally get the answer as y is equal to 6. So this is a conventional method which can be used to calculate the value of that infinite series, but it is a time consuming process. So let's discuss a shortcut for this. So let's discuss a shortcut method for this. I have considered the series under root 30 plus under root 30 plus under root 30 till infinity. So we need to concentrate on the number which is 30. Now the second step is just consider the consecutive factors of number 30. The factors could be 6 into 5 and they are both consecutive, and the greater number is your answer. So in this case 6 into 5 is 30, they are consecutive, and the greater one is 6. So the answer for this infinite series is 6. Let's consider one more example. So if I give you the question as under root 20 plus under root 20 plus under root 20 till infinity, calculate the answer for this. So 20, the factors will be 5 into 4, they are consecutive, and the greater number will be your answer. Therefore the answer will be 5. Type 2, subtractive series. Now the series is in the form of under root x minus under root x minus under root x till infinity. Let's discuss the conventional way to solve this method first. Solve the series first. Under root 6 minus under root 6 minus under root 6. You need to find out the answer for this series. So I'll consider this as y, and the next step will be y is equal to under root 6 minus y, because the same series is being repeated. Squaring both sides, under root sign and square will get cancelled, and by rearranging the terms you will get a quadratic equation. By middle term split, you get the final answer as y is equal to 2. We always neglect the negative answers. So this is the conventional method, but again it is very time consuming, so let's discuss a shortcut for this. I have considered the same question under root 6 minus under root 6 minus under root 6 till infinity. Again we will only focus on the number which is 6. Again we will find out the consecutive factors which is 3 into 2, but as the series has negative sign, this time we will consider the smaller factor. Whenever the series is in addition, we consider the larger factor, and whenever the series is in subtraction, we consider the smaller factor. So the answer for this series will be 2. Let's consider one more example. Just let's do it orally. Under root 20 minus under root 20 minus under root 20 till infinity. Now number is 20. Second step, consecutive factors which will be 5 into 4. Now the series had a negative sign, so we will consider the smaller factor which is 4. The answer will be 4. Type 3, multiplicative series, infinite. So the series will be in the form of under root x into under root x into under root x till infinity. So let's discuss the conventional way for this. I have considered the series as y. So y is equal to under root x into y because the series is being repeated. Squaring both sides, I get y square is equal to xy. After rearranging the terms and finding the solution, we get the final answer as y is equal to x. So let's try the shortcut for this. The shortcut method is that the solution for such kind of series, when x is being multiplied till infinite, under root x into under root x into under root x till infinity, we always get the final answer as x. So for example, if you need to find out the solution for a number, let's say under root 5 into under root 5 into under root 5 till infinity, your answer will be 5. Type 4, multiplicative series, finite. So in these kind of questions, you have a finite series, as you can see on the screen, under root x into under root x into under root x. Now, for this particular question, there are 3 roots. So we have a special formula to calculate it. For the shortcut method, for such kind of questions, we have a direct formula to apply, which says x raised to the power 1 minus 1 upon 2 to the power n, where x is the number given in the question and n is the number of roots. So I've considered one example over here. I need to find out the solution for this question, under root 5 into under root 5 into under root 5. So I am directly applying the formula. My x becomes 5 in this question, raised to the power 1 minus 1 upon 2 to the power n. Now n is 3 in this question. So after taking LCM and solving, we get the final answer as 5 raised to the power 7 upon 8. I hope you find these tricks interesting and easy to use. For more such hacks, tricks, like, subscribe and keep watching this space. Till then, goodbye and have a nice day.